Today I will share new wings. I guarantee that I haven't eaten yet. First, prepare the ribs. Then put a basin, fill with water, soak for 10 minutes, remove the blood inside. After soaking, we pat dry, keep the water. Prepare a bowl, add minced garlic and use the machine to heat oil to smell good. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and sauce. Oysters in moderation, 1 spoonful of salt, 1 spoonful of pepper and a little cooking wine, finely chopped garlic, 1 spoonful of cornstarch on the pork ribs and marinate with a fingerboard for 20 minutes until it tastes better and we arrange it on a plate. Let us put together a container to go abroad. It's delicious. Sprinkle shallots, pork ribs. Will you do it at home or that sentence, listen to me. You can only find me when you